Hello and welcome to a video on how to create the exercise 2.6 link. This is Sean Gibson and I will be teaching you how to make this part. So first off, we're going to look at the dimensions of the part. We see a 3.17 length base to this part, and then two different radiuses. One is going to be a radius of 0.825, and then the inner circle is going to have a diameter of 0.76, and there's going to be two of them. So to start off, we're going to use our line tool. We're going to specify the point to be 0, 0 on the origin. Then we're going to put our cursor on the x-axis and type in that we want it to be 3.17 long. So I'm going to zoom in here. Then to calculate the height, we're just going to multiply 0.825 times 2, and that'll give us the actual height that we want our part to be. And that would be 1.65. So if you move your cursor to about a 90-degree angle, you can type in again 1.65. That line is going to be a placeholder for when we want to create our diameters. So then we're going to use our circle tool, and for this one we're going to do diameter, but we're going to do a 2-point. So you want to click the top edge of this line and bring it down to this edge. We're going to do that again. This top edge to this edge. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we're going to use our trim tool. We're going to select our scissors first, because that's the stuff we're going to be using to trim. Then we're going to press enter, and we're going to trim out the inner sides of these circles. And press enter. Now we're going to click this. We can keep that there for now. Now we're going to use our diameter tool for our circle. And we're going to use the midpoint of this line, which will show up as the center of these 2 points. So you're going to click that, and then the diameter is 0.76. Then we're going to do that again for the other side. 0.76. Finally, we're going to click this line that we use as a placeholder, delete it, and then we're going to make our new layers for annotating and marking down the dimensions. So we're going to make 2 layers. One is going to be dimensions. One is going to be our center mark. We're going to change the color of these lines. We're going to make the center mark like a lime green, and we're going to make the dimensions a light red. We're going to change the line type. The dimensions is going to be ISO dash. And the center mark is going to be center 2. So it's going to be that. So after we made our new layers, we're going to click on center mark, and it will put us in the center mark layer to make our center marks for this part. Then we're going to click annotate, click on center mark, and then click the 2 inner radiuses. And that's really all you'll need. Finally, we're going to go to our dimensions layer and use the dimensions tool and use those center marks that we just made to mark down the dimensions of the various parts of this uh, sketch. So we're going to mark the exterior radius, the interior diameter of these two circles, and the dimension of the base. Now, to change the rounding of the decimals to 3 decimal places, you just have to type in dim style, go to modify, primary units, and change the precision to 3 decimal places. And that will change everything to the proper amount of decimal places. For editing text, all you have to do is double tap on the text, and it'll bring up a text box where you can type. And there you go. That's all you need to do to make exercise 2.6 link. To save, you simply hit Control S, and then click where you want to save. On my computer, I'm going to do the desktop, and I'm going to name it exercise 2.6 link. That's all you need to do. Thank you for watching.